In this video, you'll learn the essential basics of Zen Browser. We're focusing on three core tools: Compact Mode, which changes how your sidebar functions; Zen Glance for previewing links and temporary tabs; and Split View for managing multiple tasks on one screen. First, let's look at Compact Mode. This feature is designed to maximize your browsing space. Usually, you can manually resize the sidebar by clicking and dragging the edge. However, with Compact Mode enabled, the sidebar disappears entirely until you need it. It only reappears when you move your mouse to the left edge, staying visible only while you hover over it. This gives you a much cleaner edge-to-edge view of your content. Next is Zen Glance. This is a simple but effective tool for reducing tab clutter. Instead of opening a new tab for every link, just right-click a link and select Open Link in Glance. This opens a smaller temporary window. When you're finished, simply click outside the window to close it. A quicker way to use this is by holding the Alt key while left-clicking a link. If you prefer using your keyboard to close the Glance window, just tap the Escape key. It's a seamless way to check information without losing your place. Finally, let's move on to Split View, the key to effective multitasking. To use this, hold the Control key and left-click the tabs you want to see together. Once selected, right-click and choose Split to Tabs. You can now scroll and interact with both pages simultaneously. If you need to focus on one side, click the Expand icon with the diagonal arrows. You can also create a split view by dragging any open tab from your sidebar directly into your active window. To move only one of your tabs within the split, click the six-dot handle and drag it to your preferred position. You can even arrange them vertically, top and bottom. Give it a few tries to get comfortable with the positioning. It's a major time saver once you've mastered it. In the 1.19 update, Zen supports up to 4 tabs in a single split view. You can select individual tabs using Control and clicking, or select a group of adjacent tabs by holding Shift. Just right-click your selection and choose Split 4 tabs to get started.